Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are safe and you are doing well. Today I'm here to show you guys how you can enable the dark mode in the Google Chrome. This trick should work with Mac OS, Windows, and Linux as well. So without wasting time, let's get straight away to the point. So there are a few simple steps which you need to follow. So the first thing is you should enable the dark mode in the Windows option. So you can find it by just searching on the search bar. Just type here dark. When the color settings show up, just hit enter and it will take you to the settings of your Windows machine. Inside it, here you can just see choose your color, and there are three options. Just choose dark over here. So what it does is it just makes your Chrome default page dark in color. Let me show you guys. As you can see here, it is a bit dark grayish color. So this was the first step. Now the second step is let me search something. Let's just search for the google.com, and as you can see, the dark mode is applied only to the default page. So to apply it to, you just open the search bar and type here Chrome colon and 2/ and type their flags and hit enter, and it will take you to the page where you can experiment with the features available on Chrome. You might get a warning if you are visiting it for the first time that you might just end up crashing Chrome. So just it's not that harmful, but you can just read it through. And if you're wanting to try experiment over here, make sure that you're aware of what you're doing. So here you need to just in the search bar above, type there dark, and here comes the result, the force dark mode for the web contents. So it is by default set to default. Just to change it to enable with the selective inversion for non-images element. So there are a couple of more options, but I have just experimented with all of them, and this last third one works fine. Actually, if you just select the second one, which is enabled with the selective inversion of everything, it will just invert the colors of images as well, which would look quite weird. You might have seen the inverted images in which the black appears to be white. So select the last third one, which is enabled with the selective inversion of non-images elements, and it will ask you to relaunch the Chrome. Just select relaunch and wait for it to just reopen the Chrome. And after the Chrome has been restarted, you can just go to any of the website. Just let's head to the google.com, which we visited before. As you can see, it has been turned totally black and it's appear quite beautiful. I'm a big fan of dark mode, and which I hope you too are. That's why you are in my video. So this is how you can just enable the dark mode. And one of the best thing about this feature is if you go to just simply wikipedia.com, for example, you will be able to see that the contents of the wikipedia.com is also appearing in dark mode. How amazing is that? So this way this works in the Chrome mobile as well. I guess most of the mobile brands today are offering the dark mode, but you can just follow the simple steps that I shown in this video and get the dark mode in the Chrome mobile as well. So this was the trick. So hope you guys liked the video, and if it did help, make sure to give us a like and not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in next video. Till then, stay tuned.